Today I'm going to demonstrate the lattice stitch, which can be used to cover a large area with a grid pattern by using some short, straight, or cross stitches to tack down the intersections of long, straight stitches that are too long to be left unsecured. You can see a completed example here where we have this blue grid that was laid down as a lattice and these small yellow stitches that are securing it at each intersection. So that's what we're going to make today. First, let's do the long straight stitches that form the grid. So these are really simple straight stitches that just come up at one end of the line and down at the other. And I'm just going to do all of the stitches going parallel to each other first, and then we'll go the other way. And you can see as we do these that they're quite long and unsecured. So this would not work well or hold up well if we were going to leave these alone. And now we'll do the same thing, just going in the other direction to form our grid. Now that we've got our grid, we're going to make small horizontal straight stitches that just go across each point where we have an intersection in the grid. Doesn't matter where you start. You can see I'm just going very close right on either side of that intersection. You want to pull tight enough to secure these, but not so tight that they're pulling at your fabric or pulling your threads out of alignment. And now you can see that those long stitches are nicely supported and secured at each intersection. So this is the basic lattice stitch, but you can create many different looks with lattice depending on how you choose to orient the grid, how many strands you use for the grid versus the securing stitches, what colors you choose, and whether you choose to use vertical, horizontal, or cross stitches for those securing stitches. And that's it for lattice stitch. Thanks for watching.